weirdos. So today's makeup look is my absolute favorite makeup look. I do this a lot. I do work at Ulta, so I try to go for something simple, and I do have 3 kids, so getting ready is a struggle, but this is, you know, the look. Sorry about that weird face. Super easy, super simple. Anybody could do it. Don't mind my head wrap. My hair is in that awkward stage where you can't really style it, so but if you want to see how I got this look, just keep watching. wanted to jump on here and talk about these lashes. So my friend Shady Lynn, she has her own lash company, and these lashes, when I say are amazing, they are amazing. So this is what the box looks like. So pretty. She has a bunch of different styles and on her website. So I will link her stuff down below or on the screen, whichever one I feel less lazy to do. But when I order them, yes, I ordered them. I paid for them myself. I only got one right now, but I'm gonna try to get the other one. This is the box that it comes in. Pretty small. If you order obviously more than I have, you get a bigger box, but pretty compact, pretty good. I think you can recycle this too. But again, here's the packaging, you know, and then here is the lashes. They are a little bit longer than this. I already cut them because I wore them yesterday to work, but they're really nice. They're really pretty. The band is really light. So it's like you barely even have them on. I hate really heavy lashes. They always seem to, I can't wear them as long. But this is the style Naomi, as you can see. And they are just like, they're so beautiful. So I'm gonna put these on and I'll leave her information down below or on the screen. So let's get started. Okay, so this is the finished look. Look how pretty these lashes are. So gorgeous. You guys have to get you some. And I actually just chucked on some mascara on the bottom lash, you know, just so it wouldn't look so plain. And then I put on Burnt Spice, the liquid lipstick, the retro liquid lipstick. I think that's what it is. But yeah, that's it. I hope you guys liked. I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe. All that fun stuff. Thank you for watching.